Do you know there are two reinforcement structures for hydraulic hoses, braided and spiral? Generally, hydraulic hoses are divided into braided and spiral types. Braided hoses are worn by interlaced steel wires. Just like braiding hair, most have 1 or 2 layers, and 3 layers are uncommon. They are flexible with small bending radius, suitable for medium and low pressure systems, and low in cost. Their quality relies on thickness, hardness, and weaving density. When cut, the wire structure inside looks irregular, with no clear separated layers. Spiral hoses are worn with steel wires, layer upon layer closely. Their awning come in even layers, starting from 4 layers, mostly 4 or 6 layers. Every thin layer is worn in the opposite direction to the next. They are high-pressure hoses that resist higher pressure and strong pull shocks. With a higher price, when cut open, layers is very clear, neat, and easy to count. So, do you know whether your hoses are braided or spiral?